and, or, and not operators. Basically, these operators are used with where clause. And as you learned from previous videos, where clause is used to filter your data based on a condition. But sometimes you need to apply more than one condition, though you need to use and, or, and not operators based on your need. In case you need to display records when all the conditions are true, then you have to use and. But if you want to display the records when at least one of the condition is true, then you have to use or. And not is reverse to and. It displays records when all conditions is failed. So let's see in action how to use and, or, and not operators in SQLite Studio. Back to our test database, I am selecting everything from EMP data table. Now if I want to filter my table based on a state column, I can do this using where clause. I will just add the where clause to my select syntax, where the state, for example, like, I'll write the column name, then like the string New York. If I close the syntax and run the syntax, my result will be filtered based on the state column, and it brings back all the state.ny. Now if I want to add another condition to the same column or a different column, I can do that using and operator or operator. So let's see how to do that. For example, city like New York. Now if I run this query, it will bring back all the states which is like NY and the city like New York. Both conditions must met. So after running this syntax, all the records appear that the both conditions are true for the state and the city. So let's run it. As you see, my state is NY and the city is New York. Now if I want to change the AND operator to OR operator, the result will be different. The result will be either city like New York or the state will be like NY. As you see in the result, you may see NY and you may see New York. So one of the conditions is met, the result will be appear. For example, at least if I take the first row, the city is not New York, but the state is NY. Either one of the condition is true, the record appears. I can add not operator to this syntax and reverse the result. For this, I will add not before the state. So not state like NY, and I will change the OR to AND. Then I will add not before the second column name. So after running this query, I am getting a result where city is not like New York and state is not like NY. As you see in the result, we don't have NY and we don't have a city like New York. In the next video, I will talk about not in and in operator to filter our data in a different way.